Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like the information that I'm going to be providing for you today, you can hit the notification bell and you'll be able to receive any video that I post in the future. So today what we're going to talk about is how you can earn $100,000 plus per year with a postcard mailing opportunity. And what we're going to do is go over where to go to get your printing materials for cheap at a discounted rate. Because the thing is when you're trying to build this opportunity and this business from home, you want to be able to do it on a budget, and you don't want to spend a ton of money on your marketing materials where you find yourself in the negative. But before we get started, here is my channel. If you have not watched previous videos, if you can click on the picture and the information below, and it's going to take you to some of the videos that I have posted where I actually give information about the different opportunities that are currently working, the ones that you can actually start earning a full-time income from now. And there's also webinars here for the different opportunities where we meet and come together to discuss how these opportunities can help you to start earning a full-time income. So I am a six-figure earner from home, and I had started out with postcard mailing programs, and then eventually I upgraded to start to do online marketing, and I am an affiliate marketer full-time. So if you don't know much about affiliate marketing, I'm going to share some information about that. But first, what I want to do is take you to what you need to do in order to start getting your marketing materials together for a postcard program. The one that I'm promoting is Cash Building System Unlimited. I just did a video a few days ago where I was able to generate over $4,000 in just a few weeks with this opportunity, and it's growing consistently. And not only that, I've been promoting it for about a year, but they have actually been in business for over 3 years. Okay. So the name of the business is Cash Building System Unlimited. They provide you with the marketing materials that you need. But what I want to do is discuss some other offline marketing materials that you can actually purchase with your postcards to just pick up the momentum with your business and actually start accumulating results at a faster pace because you are using more than postcards. So with this opportunity, what you're going to get in the mail is your leads, which is the stickers that go on the front of the postcard. You're going to also receive your postcards in the mail as well from the company. It's going to come to either your P.O. box or your home address. Now, what you want to do is once you receive your marketing materials and you have your website, I recommend everyone to get a website, because even when people get your information in the mail, if they want more information about who you are, what business you're representing, or what business you're working on, you want to have a website that gives them more information about the opportunity. This is a website that we're currently using, and you can actually get that customized when you get started with this opportunity. So the first thing I want to go over is drop cards. You can go to printfounders.com, and this is a marketing and print center where they can actually print materials for you for offline marketing. But not only that, they can create printing materials for you as well, different graphics and designs to help you to start promoting and pushing your opportunity. I highly recommend this because they have a decent price for your marketing materials. And not only that, again, you can incorporate other marketing materials on top of the postcards that you're going to receive from the company. So here they have drop cards, and drop cards are extremely effective. Not only that, you're able to purchase them in bulk for a very low price. Okay, so here we have $100 drop cards. They have the old and the new drop cards here. You can click on this and order an image. So whatever you want inside of the postcard, you can have them put that information, and it can lead people directly to your website. And it could give them just a little blurb about your business opportunity and what to expect when they go to your website. Here, they also have the $20 drop cards right here. And then they have these $98 unlimited $100 drop cards. This is for a particular program. And what you'll notice is if you come down, let me see if they have it here. the Cash Building System Unlimited. These are the drop cards for this opportunity that I'm discussing with you today. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on the image so that you guys can see what it looks like. So here, again, you have the outside of the postcard. You'll fold this in half. I mean, outside of the drop card, you'll fold this in half. This is what it will look like. You fold it right here down the middle. And as you can see inside, it says, can you mail a postcard? How would you like to earn $50 to $300 a day? Mailing a simple postcard. It will have your website link if you want, your name, phone number, and an email along with your ID. Now, you can put all of this information. If you decide there's some of it that you don't want to add, you can just put what you want here on this drop card. So right here, you would click on the quantity. And right here, what I want to show you is how reasonable the prices are. So here, if you go for 5,000, you only pay $109 for 5,000 drop cards. If you go ahead and click down to 10,000, it's $164.95 for 10,000 drop cards. And then let's just say you want to do 2,000 just to get you started. It's $89.95. I recommend 500 to 1,000. For 500, it's only $30. And if you decide to do 1,000, you're going to pay $64.95. They have availability of receiving your drop cards in 2 to 3 business days. It may take a little bit longer depending on the quantity that you order. So here, you have to select this, that whatever proof they send to you, that you checked it and you made sure the correct information was on that proof. They're going to send that over to you before they go ahead and print out your drop cards in bulk. Okay. So then here, you can let them know if you want them to fold it or not. Okay. So you would make your selection here. And then you would move down and put in all of the information that you want on that drop card. And you want to just make sure that you confirm and you verify that the information is correct before adding it to the cart. Okay, so make sure again that you go through this, your website is correct, your ID number is correct, your name and all of that information is correct. Once you go through that, you can hit the add to cart and then they will start to process your order for your drop cards. Okay, now if you decide you don't want to use that drop card again, you can have one created that you want to say whatever you want on that drop card. And as you can see, they have different drop cards for multiple businesses that people are in. So like right here, I'm in Digital Wealth Pros. This is another opportunity that I made $50,000 with. You can also get a drop card for this as well. And here, as you can see, it looks a little bit different. And what I love about this is that depending on what opportunity you're promoting, the inside of the drop card is going to look a little bit different, but these are high converting because they pull you in. Not only that, the colors that they're using and the information that's on them is going to allow people to want to go to the website and get more information about that opportunity. With this one, you also would just put your website information, a phone number, and the ID number. Okay, and as you can see, it's not a lot of information. It's just enough so that you can get them to go to your website, or you can get them to go ahead and take the next step, which is called the call to action, to move them in to your sales page. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just putting information in here to capture the email, and we're giving them a call to action to make them want to go to the sales page. And then what we're going to do is allow the sales page to do the selling and selling for that program. And again, when you are purchasing these drop cards, I definitely recommend anywhere between 500 to 1,000 to give you a really good jump start. Okay, so then we also have here flyers and brochures. If you decide you want to do flyers, I think flyers is a really good way to market your opportunity. I like to do flyers and have them in places like laundry mats, where there's high traffic, shopping centers, where you go to buy food, grocery stores, barber shops, bodegas, beauty hair salon places. These are places where there's tons of people. And if they see this information here, they will go to it and want to know what it's all about. Now, one of the things that I love is, like with these flyers, like you see here, you can get your information on here, and then you can have your call to action here at the bottom, where they can peel off just one tab and put it in their pocket. And then later on, go to the website or call the phone number, depending on what call to action you have. So here they have a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 peel off tabs where a person can take one and go to the website or call the phone number that's related to that particular business. Okay. Not only that, if they want to just maybe screenshot with their take a picture with their phone of this entire flyer, they can do so. And again, these are great for high traffic locations where there's multiple people throughout the day and night coming into these different businesses that may be looking for an additional income or looking to replace their income. So with these, you can pick, this one is $1 just to have it created with what you want. Okay, so if you want to have these created, this is where you go. It's only $1. You would give the information that you want. And then if you go back here to flyers and brochures, let's see what else they have here. They have some different designs. So here, what they have is basically different designs that you can choose from, so that it matches the business that you're currently in. And what I'm going to do is basically tell you this. Once you have it created with your information, okay, all you need to do next is place the order. Now, if the price is too high when you're going through Print Founders, I highly recommend going to your local mom and pop shop that has a printing service in your area and compare the prices for the two. Okay, I like to compare black and white and color and get the pricing for each. Now you can always start off with a quantity of, again, 500 to 1,000. As you can see here, for 1,000, this is in color. It's going to cost you $164. If you want to do 500 to start, it's $143. Again, you can compare this price to your local mom and pop printing company and see if they can give you a better deal. Not only that, if you want to start out cheaper, you can just have one created and then just go black and white, because black and white is going to always be cheaper than actually getting it in color. Okay, so then here, if you click on postcards, what you can do is go here. These are different postcards that they have available for different business opportunities. And if we keep scrolling, let's see what we have here. I don't see one here for Cash Building System Unlimited. Okay, they don't have one. But what we can do, let's see if we click here, what's available. Okay, this is a postcard. Okay, this is not for it. Okay, so we're gonna skip the postcards. We get postcards anyway from the company, so we don't need to focus on the postcards here. Okay, but we can definitely do the drop cards. We can definitely do the flyers and brochures and get started with that. So with the Cash Building System Unlimited, we have different levels that you can come in at. If you click on the description area below, it will have the information there on how much it costs to get started and what you're going to actually receive. So for the first level, well, phase one, it's $50, a one-time payment. You're going to get your 200 done for you postcards, 200 leads, your membership discount pricing, private offline marketing strategies, and exclusive Facebook access. And then they also have phase two. When you join at phase two, it's going to give you a bunch of different levels to join at. At phase two, you're going to get an additional 200 leads and postcards, depending on what level you come in at. But not only that, you're going to get some exclusive training that's going to come along with the higher levels as well. With the higher levels, it just allows you to make more money, because now you're able to collect unlimited $70, unlimited $150, and unlimited $350 payments, again, depending on which level you come in at phase two. They always have two phases. Phase one, which is kind of like, I call it the entry level, where you come in just to get started and get set up. Phase two is where the money is made, because now you have more postcards, you have more leads, and you're able to collect at higher levels. Okay, if you guys want to take advantage of the website that we have available for you, all you need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and you can actually purchase your customized website that you can add to your drop cards. You can add them to your postcards and also your brochures and flyers. Okay. So I hope that this information has helped you to understand what you need to do to get started and some of the other marketing techniques that you can use on top of your postcards to speed up your result and to get more bang for your buck. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Again, please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.